I don't know Tom represent for King Mix Up, you know, so check out the dog YouTube page or the body thing or the money thing. I'm saying Nana guys and the whole family. Boof buff now.
Okay, people, welcome back to the channel. You don't want the thing said, bless. You feel what I'm saying? But you know my style already. One bag of one and one. I gotta give you this daily updates on them, people. Yeah, well, not spicing the intro. This is said because that was just over. On my next channel, the King Mix Up channel, because we just dropped the review. With Kass saying that she's been seeing CMR since she's 17 years old and she never knows Sam did marry to Crissy. You know what I mean? And we're finding out that she didn't know she was pregnant, Kass speaking. And, she said, see, I might had her drink something and bring her to the hospital. And, next thing you know, baby disappear. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's all over upon the King Mix Up channel. But in that video, I will get to find out, say, see, I might really love Kass and she. I have the real Pum Pum Paradise because we get to understand him was nyamming out. The man that I eat or Kass Punny and I eat Shani and Crissy to ask a lot of people. So that kind of upset Shani a little bit as she was on the live listening to the details, you feel what I'm saying, from Kass. So let's listen to what the mafia say and then we'll proceed.
That you're crazy. And I am 20 years old. Remember that. 20 years old. Remember that. You yesterday you video with it, okay? That's crazy. The more than calling him, trying to be like that. I make people go like for my name. Yeah. Because you know me a mad girl, you really mess around with me like that. I make people go like for my name. What do I have to like? Come on now. So, I don't understand. Shani, why you never like link me before I say, you know what? Me I go live when you do this. Why you never? This man is a narcissist, like manipulator, yo. Why you don't believe me? When every people, one more thing, I'm never tell you no. You see, when Kushen meet me. Because in real life, me look like a little pitney in real life. Me have a little pitney body and everything. You know what the man meet me? It look like them never know me right age. The man look at me and say, how old you be? Me say I'm 22. He say, me think I did 15. And he said, you know, a serious vibes, like him serious. We feel like some him a predator. The boy that one predator. So she just put me out like that and I'm telling you. And then she take the money when we did forget. You never know. She send her the screenshot them and give her cash. She got about that. She said the woman talk about she could have run back the whole of the money, but she said to you, man, I'm not going to run back the whole of the money because she stayed there for a couple of days. So I was giving back 2 days. That she said to you, man. And then but me see I can't find no more if I can hear. Hello. Hello. Everybody gonna know that already. But pretty Dan said you tell her some things about me or whatever. She was on live this morning on TikTok. I'm gonna watch, I'm gonna listen to everything. Not this morning, yeah, the video. Disrespect me, Wally British press say me did want fuck her. Like so like that's why you always you know why you talk like this? Because you feel like me record you. No. Me want to scream, but them have to give me a reason for scream. Any day I make it up and scream, the internet mash up me. I tell you, I'm sick in my head already in a real life. Because I don't like people. I'm dark. I'm dark in a real life. I'm not chat to people. I'm not friendly. Shani, listen. So then we got to meet in person. My TikTok. One question what everybody concerned about. The TikTok video when on a kiss. How comes the wife angle upon it? Oh, the TikTok angle go now. Oh, that go. I use his phone. That was his. So I use his phone to make the TikTok. I'm always on his phone. He let me dig through his phone. Like, if I wanted to get information on his phone, I could have. Yeah, man.
in him phone too. Me have access to him phone. Me always in there.
Always in his phone, and then I went on his TikTok, and I didn't realize that was the wife TikTok to after, and then yeah. Girl, let me show the other TikTok. Y'all didn't see the other one when it was like, give me head. Oh, you do it after. Oh, yeah, I do that after. But yeah.
Oh, you know why I'm so eating right now is because I'm the mother thing.
Can I?
He mentioned my mother, bro, and that is why I'm eating right now. Oh, you feel threatening to kill my mother, bro?
Wait, Shani, let me ask you a question. He eat your pussy?
No, I never eat my pussy. Him eat yours?
Yeah. Yeah.
Blood.
What?
Weird. Him eat your pussy?
Yeah.
Wow. Me never get that though. Him look like him suck pussy for true. Him look like him suck pussy
He
for
suck
true.
pussy, boy. But
wow.
Yeah,
So him name pussy for true?
That's all I have to say.
Cassandra, looking at the camera, see him name my pussy? Cassandra, come here.
I'm not killing it.
So, him name my pussy, Cassandra? Mitchie, you're right. You're correct, Mitchie, because him could have never loved me. I never do it to me. Wow,
Girl,
so really
you lying.
based on the way how I see him kiss you, I know say him eat your pussy for true.
Come on now, the way I kiss him, the way he kissed me, come on now.
Him name my pussy for true. You have no video with him I eat it?
No.
So CMR.
He's not gonna do that.
Big
You know
bad
he's not gonna do that.
CMR nyam your pussy. And that is the big bad CMR where everybody loves.
Girl.
Wow. I can't believe this.
Yo.
Me and Danger, nobody not act like wife, cause me could have never want to be wife to something like that. You're crazy. Wife weird. So what else in the your Cassandra?
Oh, let me show you my
Oh, what then? So, me no vex. Why you know I say me vex? Me no vex. Me feel vex. So you say you lose one baby fee, right?
Yeah.
And he suck your pussy.
He was so sad. Like, he was so sad, yo. So mad at me. He's so sick, though, for real, because you wanted a family. You dead ass wanted them. You wanted me to have a home
So,
with you.
can I answer one question? He ever sing for you? Like, what kind of song he sing for you?
Girl! I'm done with this fucking music song. Yo! The man... Yo, the nigga used to sing song. I remember when he sing.
you have the video.
I have the video.
You vex. Me feel vex. She coming up vex. Me feel vex. You're crazy.
Let me show y'all the video.
The tongue train left Shani.
So I'm gonna show y'all a video. I'm gonna show y'all a video of him complaining about me never wanting to do a music video with him. So I'm gonna show y'all.
Mitchie, boy, I don't even know what to say, girl. Wait, but we see that video there again.
Yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Stop calling me, bitch.
So you see, it was easy for you to make a video and send. Because the moment I pick you up, that's when you keep doing the video.
So the two are not in a car.
No,
yeah, at the
just
same.
me, just me.
Oh.
I've got a bunch of videos to use already, I was just saying.
He's so mad. He said he don't need it. He's so mad. And then let me tell you something else too.
It's still going. You're not making videos not to pose. I'm just making a video.
He said he don't need it. That is,
I don't need it.
I don't need it. But but before I leave Orlando, he was begging me. He come with the camera, the whole setup in the hotel, or do the video. I said, "Nah, you don't need it. You don't need it. I'm not doing no video. You don't need it." And I laughed, like, yeah, he said he don't need it, but he begged me still for the video. That's weird as fuck. Why you want me to be in your video so bad?
One thing though, Cassandra, you look good and everything though. You're pretty girl. Big up yourself.
The video with
At
he was nice.
least, I don't know, ugly girl.
And just did it, ain't it?
Yeah.
Tell him.
So let me tell you, he even when I did the video, when he posted, when I did the video, like I was doing regular TikToks, he screen recorded my TikTok. He screen recorded my TikTok and put his music over my TikTok and posted. But y'all didn't peep. But that was a long time. But that was within those 2 years of me talking to him. That's when he did that.
He knew you were irritated. That's the weird thing.
So I know you just know something crazy.
And he even texted me one day like, "Oh, send me your TikTok password. I need your TikTok password. Send me your TikTok." So yeah, I don't know.
We haven't
Obsessed.
But I'm gonna show y'all.
But yeah, I have all more evidence in this phone that I'm using. But I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah.
What more you want? Do you have nothing more to talk about?
Yeah.
All right.
Let me see. Go open. Oh, my phone is dying too. It wasn't charging the whole time. Dang.
Yeah, you about to go live
Yeah.
again.
Your phone I got dead. You want to charge up your phone?
Yes. My
Alright,
phone
we
might
got
today.
any-
Wait, hold on.
come
Someone
back.
said 2 years. So Uno, I talked from you're 18. Yeah, when I was 18.
And she, he had a wife for a couple of months.
And I didn't know.
Never knew. It was me.
Yes, I didn't know he had a wife for a couple of months, and then my best friend let me know that's Jamaican that he have a wife. I am a Haitian.
Yeah, it was actually my aunt. She seen it when we pulled up in his car, and she was like, "Yeah, it's giving Seymour." Cause we was
Oh yeah, I did tell you that when we pull up to her aunt, and she was like, "Who car that is?" Her
We've
auntie.
been posting that whole day, and she was like, she seen a snippet of him, and she was like, "That gotta be CMR." And I was like, I don't know. And she's she probably on the live too, cause she had commented too, so she could tell y'all. She didn't know for real.
She didn't.
And then when this bitch knew he had a wife, that bitch was the research.
Oh yeah, I went on the YouTube, I went on the Instagram, I went on the TikTok. I was just researching. I really didn't know. How much person? So those first
your phone then?
You didn't meet him in a party.
They said I didn't meet him in the party.
Yeah, they said that's a lie.
I met him. Oh, since I want to be Pacific,
He was
next level we was at, right? Bitch, I'm gonna even give y'all the lounge. We was at next level in Lauderdale Lakes. Yes, he be over here on Broward.
He was just watching you.
And he was looking at you like that. I was like, who's this big cocky guy? Like just standing here like, bitch. Like, yo, I swear, this CMR scared me when I first meet him. He scared me.
Security guard.
The other black one, his friends, they so scary. Like,
he said that was his security guard.
Oh, that was he a liar.
That's what he said.
That's his friend.
Oh, and that same night, remember, they bust out his friend window.
Yes.
Girl.
Yeah. When we went out another night, and
somebody just came and bust out the window.
Someone come and bust out his friend windows. So, and then someone said, "Don't boom your bro Charles drop." Then boom them draws drop. Yeah, he have a shrimp. Did Uno just say he have a shrimp? Yeah, still my dick is not on that. I hope y'all know that. I think Shani know that too. His dick is not on that.
I keep saying it is spot dick.
But you saying him with liquor. I think
when you said cocky, you mean like he buff. Like, come on now. Not his dick. I mean like not big cocky. Oh my god, I forgot y'all Jamaican. I mean, watch what you say, girl.
I gotta watch it. Okay, cocky in American term means like swole, like big man, like that's what cocky mean. Cocky mean like swole man, like a big man, and not his dick. But he do have a little. So leave him alone and go look up. But I told the nigga last night, guys, when we was at the hotel, I told him and I was like, I'm gonna leave you alone, like I'm done. And I left. Oh, you want us to let's play it one more time before you get off. Yeah, I'm about to get off right now though.
Yeah, when you come off me, we go talk on the phone. No,
but we're gonna say it one more time. We're gonna say it one more time. We're gonna show one more time, then we're gonna come back on live. But
alright.
From last night.
But hold on.
This is when
but yeah, I told him, remind you, I told him, I said, I'm done, like, leaving you alone, we leave each other alone, I left. And then he gonna call me back and tell me to come back to the hotel.
So you can see the date first too.
Yeah, you get the drift. Make sure you swing upon the King Mix Up channel and check out the rest of what Kass have to say with this abortion and dating when she there underage and all them stuff. Yeah, you know, like 17 years old, legal in some states. It's what I say. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest and dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.